If you're exploring a print-on-demand store on platforms like Etsy or Shopify, you've likely come across three major suppliers, Gelato, Printify, and Printful, and wondered which one is best. In this video, the goal is to help you figure that out. This isn't a sponsored video. I'm purchasing samples with my own money to evaluate key factors such as shipping times, product quality, pricing, and other important aspects to help you make an informed decision. Gelato, Printify, and Printful each operate differently, offering various products, print qualities, and options. I'll analyze two popular products by ordering samples. Here's a quick overview. In the print-on-demand business model, you sell custom products like t-shirts online, and your supplier prints and ships them as orders come in, without holding any inventory. Printful handles everything in-house, from printing to shipping. In contrast, Gelato and Printify act as intermediaries, connecting you to a network of printers, which can offer advantages like more global locations and faster shipping times, but also present challenges such as inconsistent print quality. Regarding pricing, each supplier offers a free plan and paid plans with added benefits. Printify's paid plan allows for up to 10 stores and offers a discount on product costs. Gelato's plans start with a free option, but their paid tiers, Gelato Plus, $24 a month, and Gelato Gold, offer discounts, premium mock-ups, and other business tools. Printful offers growth-based incentives, where you can unlock premium features either by paying $24.99 per month or by achieving a certain revenue threshold. I'll be diving deeper into the specific products offered by each supplier, starting with Printify. Their wide range of products and pricing options might be perfect for your needs, but each platform has its unique strengths, so exploring all three is recommended. Finally, if you find the information helpful, you can support future content by using affiliate links at no extra cost when setting up your store. When selling products, it's crucial to choose suppliers that offer the right balance of price, quality, and reviews, ideally from within your country to avoid lengthy customs delays. For instance, Monster Digital offers bulk discounts, high ratings, and is based in the US, making it a strong option. Printify's default suggestion might be a good starting point, but you can also sort by production time or price. For comparison, Gelato offers slightly cheaper options for t-shirts, while Printful, although a bit more expensive, provides a broader range of products and more advanced design tools. Testing different suppliers by ordering samples is recommended to evaluate quality and shipping times firsthand. Additionally, if you're considering embroidery or unique products like hats, Printful and Printify have varying selections, making it worthwhile to explore all options. When you're selecting products to sell, especially in the print-on-demand business, it's crucial to balance the right price, quality, and reviews, and ensure that you're sourcing from a country that minimizes delivery hassles, ideally avoiding customs delays. For instance, when evaluating different suppliers, I found that Monster Digital stood out with high ratings, a bulk discount, and quick shipping from the United States, making it a convenient choice with multiple color options. If you're considering alternatives, you can sort suppliers by ranking, production time, or price. Next, I explored Gelato. After signing up, I found their product catalog slightly less overwhelming compared to Printify, but still comprehensive. They offered a range of men's and women's clothing, accessories like mugs, cups, bags, and wall art, which is perfect if you're selling custom designs or art. For a consistent comparison, check the price of a popular item across all three platforms. When it comes to designing products, Printful offers an intuitive tool that lets you print on various parts of the garment, while Printify's design tool is more basic and less realistic in its previews. Despite this, all three platforms have competitive pricing and comparable quality, so it's essential to test and sample products yourself. When I tested hats, Printify had limited options, while Gelato and Printful offered a more extensive selection. Gelato and Printful also provided more realistic design tools, making it easier to visualize the final product. The stitching on Gelato's hat is consistent, but Printful stood out with a slightly better finish due to their design revision process. In terms of shipping, all three suppliers delivered within a similar time frame, about 6 to 8 days from order to arrival, with Printful taking an extra step to review and refine the design, which slightly delayed the process but resulted in a better product. Overall, all three platforms delivered high-quality products with minor differences in vibrancy and saturation. Gelato offered the best balance of price and quality, especially for t-shirts, making it my preferred choice for this category. However, Printful's customer service and design refinement process added value, particularly for more detailed or custom designs. In my assessment, Gelato stands out as the best choice for t-shirts, while Printful is the top pick for hats. Each platform offers distinct advantages that cater to different needs and preferences. Benefits of Gelato is particularly strong when it comes to t-shirts. One of its standout features is the Personalization Studio, which allows customers to customize products with their own text or designs. This feature is perfect for creating personalized items like bachelor or bachelorette party shirts, mugs with custom names, or wall art with special dates. The ease of allowing customers to add their unique touch makes Gelato a versatile option for print-on-demand businesses. Gelato also emphasizes sustainability and offers a simple, intuitive pricing structure. Their design tools are user-friendly, making the process of creating and ordering products smooth and confident. The platform supports fulfillment in 32 countries, ensuring wide reach and efficient delivery. Additionally, Gelato offers a 50% discount on your first order, making it an excellent option to try out and compare with other platforms. Benefits of Printful. Printful excels in delivering consistent, high-quality products, particularly for embroidery. One of its key advantages is the design review process for embroidery items, where a human expert reviews your design and suggests improvements, ensuring a better final product. Printful also offers fast production times and the ability to combine embroidery with DTG, direct-to-garment printing, providing more customization options. Although they have fewer printing facilities, which might affect shipping times, their ability to ship multiple items in the same package can save on shipping costs. Benefits of Printify. Printify is ideal if you're looking for a wide variety of products. It boasts a massive library and multiple suppliers, giving you the flexibility to test different options and find the most reliable and cost-effective one. This makes Printify a good choice if you want to offer a large selection of items in your store, including more obscure products that might not be available on other platforms. Printify can also be more cost-effective if you find the right supplier, particularly one that is close to your target market, reducing shipping times and costs. Each platform has its strengths, and the best choice depends on your specific needs. For embroidery, Printful is the top option due to its quality and attention to detail. If you're looking for a broader range of products or want to test different suppliers, Printify is worth considering. However, for t-shirts, Gelato is my top recommendation due to its competitive pricing, ease of use, and personalization features. To sum things up, ultimately, it's wise to place sample orders from at least 2 of these platforms to see which one best suits your design and quality expectations. And that's it, guys. If you enjoy the video and want more dropshipping courses, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.